SECUReLogBook is a powerful program that divides the time into minutes and allows you to store information on each one of them in the past or in the future. Because SECUReLogBook divides the time in minutes, we can use SECUReLogBook to help us in everything we do. For example, you can use a SECUReLogBook for the shopping list, for reminders, as a personal diary, for the alarms, and more. It's not easy to create a structure able to handle information, but what is even harder is to make that easy to use. To make sure that the application is easy to use, most of the energy have been invested on creating quality of life features to make that thing possible. For example, it is easy to introduce information with a few taps on the screen. All the buttons in this app are animated. The colors give you information. The shapes of the buttons, tell you what is going to happen. And if you introduce the wrong time or the wrong thing, the app will let you know what you need to do. So it's always guiding you to make sure that it's easy for you to introduce information. You can even introduce information when the app is locked with a PIN. The special design of SECUReLogBook allows to add data quickly, so you will not hesitate to store the data you want. The magic in SECUReLogBook is that allows to store everything in one place, everything, even shopping lists, your recipes, when you wake up, what you eat, where you need to go, your appointments, when you take your medicine, how much water do you drink, how much food and when. Everything can be recorded with no problems. It's all about the information. So we need to make sure that adding information is easy as possible. You want to gather as much information as possible because then the search system will allow you to group the information and visualize and draw conclusions from that data. And you can use that information to improve your life. SECUReLogBook is built around the idea of gathering information and showing information in an easy way. That's why there are a lot of features to help you to add information as easy as possible. But on the other hand, is security. And that's why the name is called SECUReLogBook. It's about security and information. And the security part, I achieve it by removing features that can create problems. So for example, the app doesn't require permissions to work, doesn't use internet, so your information cannot leak or in or out. It doesn't use code that is not created by Google or me. The program is controlled by me, so I know everything. And if there is a problem, I will be able to fix it. I don't depend on someone else. The program cannot access to your files. There is a feature where you can add a PIN that will be encrypted. And if you lose your PIN, there is no legal way to have your information back. And yes, SECUReLogBook is able to do backups even when it does not have access to your files or doesn't have access to internet. So SECUReLogBook will be able to store all of your information, and it enables too to send data to someone or receive data from someone. So for example, you can create a shopping list and send that to your partner, or you can uh, extract the information, open that on a computer, make changes, and then add it to the program again. Or there is a report feature where data will be exported like a list, so humans they can understand the data. So SECUReLogBook is a tool that you can use to replace your program for alarms, reminders, appointments, shopping lists, or anything else. If you use other programs to wake up, to do your shopping, for reminders, to schedule your day, all that information or will be lost straight away or it will be diluted. Because SECUReLogBook was designed to store all in one place, you can use the search system to find and group information and extract conclusions from it. For example, that means that if you wake up using SECUReLogBook, you will be able to see at what time did you wake up every day. Also, it will make visible if you delayed alarms and when. That can be a sign of something. And now SECUReLogBook can show it to you. SECUReLogBook, the power of your data in your hand.